Terry Marie Balut Challenge with the Pale Pilsen. This is Terry live in Manila.
So you feel more of it.
And after that, once you have it,
Wow.
Not the white one though.
Not the hard white one.
Yeah. Okay. White one is hard.
you want to remove it.
The hard one, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's a nice one.
All in one go, or?
Yeah, you can do all in one go. Ooh, you like it? Kurt, take a picture. Ooh. See? Not so bad.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Not bad.
I'll take two.
Yeah.